Packaging managers and engineers face constant pressure to reduce costs, increase uptime, and keep production moving. When evaluating coating systems, it's easy to focus on ink cost, but for Thermal Inkjet and Piezoelectric Inkjet, ink is only a small part of the total cost of ownership. Marcoprint coating systems are designed to deliver more, starting at under $3,000, with powerful, full-featured solutions like the X1 Jet. The X1 Jet is available in a 1/2 inch and 1 inch print heights, and like other cartridge-based systems, every new cartridge includes both a fresh print head and a new ink supply. For high-volume case coating, Integra PP108 is a proven, cost-effective solution. With a 4.25-inch print height and a 700 milliliters bulk ink system, it eliminates the need for frequent part replacements. Large ink supplies means lower running costs, less waste, and no need for additional fluids like makeup or solvents. Because when it comes to uptime, every second counts. No expensive service contracts, no highly specialized technicians, just reliable high-quality coating with a low total cost of ownership. Marcoprint, built for performance, designed for efficiency.